Fuck. Fuck.
Oh, that's horrible. Jesus. Look at that.
Get it right? I bet you can get it. I bet if you put it on X. X is one of the few places where actually it's actually illegal. So maybe you can't.
I'll go.
Oh, I love it when they do that.
Of course, there's.
Ecstasy pictures with Vile. Turn left onto the ramp to Garden State Parkway. Oh my gosh. God, don't you dare get out of the car.
No. I have my.
Yeah, but he doesn't know where the dash cam, so I'm just gonna pretend to.
No, put it down.
Used to be where I would hang on, like, well, get 3 drives, 3 touchdowns, and this is a game. I don't go to that place.
Welcome to Provincetown. Hey, I'm Mitchell Bowling. Join me on the beach in Provincetown, Massachusetts. This remote and beautiful place is full of folks from around the world.
Okay, Presto.
Artists, athletes, and filmmakers.
How would you do that?
You wouldn't.
Whoa! Jesus.
What the hell was that?
Competitive, and most all of them has had a chance to win a lot of them.
Oops.
And I think a lot of the times when it comes down to, so why did they lose?
Roll Tide.
I'm just yakking myself.
Oh.
Whoa.
Oh! And then kept going. Didn't even try to go back.
No.
Lord have mercy.
He's getting over. Come on.
That would have been really not good.
Get out of my way.
That really wouldn't have been good. Look at that. They're clipping. Look at him. Look how he rides. Unreal.
Putting down an early morning blaze at 58. One person taken to the hospital for treatment of inhalation. No cause given.
On Twitter is so awful. I'm not saying that the discourse on Reddit's the best, but it's so much better because people can downvote things.
I believe you, and I'm going to take your advice. I promise.
Oh man.
But he is, Formula
Yoink.
1 finally got a contract with Mercedes-Benz to broadcast it, so I'm going to lean into it and figure it out. But I
Busted.
want to understand.
You gotta let them know.
Wow. What the hell?
Okay, Presto. Really, you fucker? Come on. Fucking dumbass. Okay, Presto. Dumbass. Okay, Presto. Okay, Presto.
Jesus.
Okay, Presto.
Russians are losing, and they are. And that's why NATO and the United States are now flooding the zone.
Okay, Presto.
I don't see a flaw.
Okay, Presto. Fucking moron.
Georgia and Ohio State. They're saying, hey, y'all are so far, y'all, there's no chance y'all could even compete in the playoffs. But we do think you are better than Georgia, and we also think you're better than Florida State. That makes no sense to me. That if I was on the committee and
What are you
somebody
doing?
said, hey, pick the 4 best teams, I'm picking Georgia over Alabama. I think if Georgia
Goes well. Fucking idiots all over.
Yeah, you didn't see her when she turned in?
Yeah, rich parents just bought this. Oh my god. She's scared. Oh my god. Oh! Shit. Oh!
She gonna reverse it? Yeah, she is.
Oh, she is?
Yep.
Come on, girl. No. Damn, come on.
Learn how to drive.
Yeah.
Oh, that's bold.
Oh my god. Oh
Yeah,
my
that's-
god. I can't believe they didn't get hit on either side.
Bold flavors, God. Oh my God. He's been passing him. He uses his turn signals every time, but he keeps passing people on the right. It's like, what do you expect? Really?
Oh! Oh my god. What the f-
Dude, you're an asshole. You're still not in the right lane. That's why-
they're actually mandated in many of the states. Like I said, none of them have ever been tested against in a placebo-controlled trial and a safety test prior to licensing. And I said, can you show me one vaccine that has been subject to a safety test? Show me one study that shows that. And he made it this show of looking through a red well. They had brought in from NIH this big tray full of file folders. And he made a show of kind of looking through that at the time, but he couldn't find whatever he was looking for. So then he said, it's back at NIH in Bethesda, and I'll send it to you. Well, he never did. So Aaron and I sued HHS, and said, show us one study that's ever been done on, pre-licensing safety testing for vaccines. And after a year of stonewalling, they finally gave us a letter and said, we don't have any. No, they literally don't have any. So nobody knows what the risk profile for these products are. So they're telling people they avert more harms than they sought and than they cause. But there's documentary Dope Sick.
Yeah.
That documentary
Hulu,
is
right?
What?
Is it Hulu?
Is it Hulu? So that
Whatever it is.
documentary shows how this, all of these subtle forces that